My name is Rum of Rums Cakes, and I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video that we did last week of the old school sponge. That was a really fun idea for me, and I got quite good feedback from that. So this week we're continuing on in our baking season of things that we love, and we're going to be doing a rainbow cake. I love doing a rainbow cake. I've done it for my friends and their children, and it's always gone down well. So I would like to do this time a vanilla sponge with a bit of coconut and raspberry jam, because sometimes the rainbow cake is just basically a plain vanilla cake with like loads of different colours, so I figured it would add a bit of flavour to it. So you're going to catch me at the point where all the cakes have been made, as in the sponges and with different colours, and then we'll continue on from there. If you want to know how to make the sponge, follow the recipe from last week, which was the old school sponge, because we're using the same recipe, but all the ingredients and everything you need will be listed below, as well as the equipment. Okay guys, let's stop the talking and let's get to baking. Okay guys, so after making your sponge, you need to separate it into 6 bowls. Depends on how many layers you want to make, but basically separate it into a number of bowls, and then get your food colouring and colour each bit of the sponge in your colours. So we've got red, green, yellow, blue, orange and purple. But you can choose any combination of colours that you would like. The food colourings that I'm using are the Americolor food colouring, so if you can see that, that's what I'm using. Don't watch my fingers, I'm covered in the stuff. But yeah, so I'm using the different shades of the Americolor ones, and also I'm using the Wilton food colouring, which I'll show you here. Yeah, these are the Wilton food colours as well that I'm also using. They look like that. So yeah, that's what I've done. I've separated the mix into these 6 bowls, and then what I'm also going to do is separate it into the tins. I'll show you what it looks like when I've done that, and then we're going to make them. Okay guys, so here are the cakes in their tins. I decided to use the disposable trays with a little bit of foil as a foil barrier in between, just to stop the colours from mixing into each other. These are now going to bake at 160 degrees C, 320 Fahrenheit, gas mark 3, for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. The sponges are quite thin, so they don't need very long. And so once they're cool, as per usual, take them out, leave them in the tin for a few minutes, and then take them out and cool them on a wire rack. Cover them in cling film, put them in the fridge or the freezer to cool down, and give them at least an hour in there before you do any decorating, so that you don't have any crumbs. And I'll show you what they look like when they've come out of the oven. Alright, here we go. Just an extra point about the food colouring: if you can't get hold of the colours that I showed you, or the types of colours I showed you, feel free to use the supermarket colourings. They're just as good, but you'll probably need a bit more to really get the colour. These are American ones, that's why I don't need as much to get the vibrant colours, but it's all the same, so use what you have. Okay guys, so here are the cakes. They've come out of the oven, lovely and baked, spongy to the touch, so you know they're done. So what we're going to do now is we're going to leave them out in their trays for about 5 or 10 minutes until they're a little bit cooler. Then we're going to cling fill them and put them in the fridge. And leave them in the fridge for about an hour, just to get nice and firm before we do any decorating of any kind. If you try to put icing or cream or anything like that, it will literally run off the cake. So I will put these in the fridge for an hour, and then when they're out, I'll show you how I decorate everything and put it together and show you the final product. Okay guys? Okay guys, so here we go. Time to decorate the cake. As you can see, I've cut the cake into circles. So I used the bottom of a tin, it's like a 7-inch tin, to make the 7-inch round of the cake. You don't have to do that. You can have them square if you want to, but I kind of liked the circular shape of the cake. So as always, I'm going to decorate now and show you what I do, and then show you the finished product. Okay. So here is the finished product, my rainbow cake with sprinkles, vanilla buttercream and raspberry jam in the middle. I hope you guys have enjoyed following along with my video, guys, making or even just watching. I wanted to keep it simple this week as the cake had so many components to it, which is why I kept it simple. Don't forget, guys, if you do make anything that I make, use the hashtag RUM'sCakes. Or of course, if you have any questions, you can DM me on Instagram at RUM'sCakes, which is RUMS_cakes, or you can email me rumscakes@gmail.com. It's always a pleasure making these videos, and I hope to see you guys soon in the next one. Please let me know if there's anything that you'd like me to make coming forward. But in the meantime, guys, take care of yourselves, and thanks for watching. God bless.